To dream that you are an alien symbolizes the undiscovered part of yourself. Your manifestation as an alien may be your way of escaping from reality. Dreams of this nature also symbolize your outlandish ideas and your wild imagination. To dream that you are being invaded or abducted by aliens indicates your fear of your changing surroundings or your fear of losing your home and family. You feel that your space and/or privacy is being invaded. To see aliens in your dream signify that you are having difficulties adapting and adjusting to your new surroundings. You are feeling alienated and disconnected. You may also be having difficulties with how to handle or deal with a certain situation or person. On a psychological level, seeing aliens represent an encounter with an unfamiliar or neglected aspect of your own self.